crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday Morning Crafts Collaboration. Our hosts are Betty, who is Scrap Passion 01, and Markeisha, who is Sweet Papery Treasures here on YouTube. Hi ladies, thanks for hosting this collaboration. If you're new to my channel, we are doing a collaboration every second Saturday of the month, and it's going to run through December, and we're basically featuring projects using our metal dies to give you inspiration. There are several talented ladies here on this hop, so please check the description box below so you can hop along with all the talented ladies that are on this collaboration. All right, so I have a few projects to share with you, so I'm going to jump right on in. The first project that I'm going to share with you is using this Sizzix die. It's called Impresslets. I did pick it up at Hobby Lobby. It comes with this embossing folder, which is really cool. Obviously, it runs through your machine, but it also has a die in it. So it not only embosses, it also cuts out the coffee cup all in the same pass of your machine, which is really awesome. So I had fun playing with this. It came with these dies right here that says, thanks a latte, and then it has all these different little, I guess you could, what is it called? Like sequins, but it's like pumpkins and leaves and, you know, fall themes and coffee cups, so you can make, you know, shakers out of it. So super, super cute. So let me show you what I created. So here is my shaker card, and I think it came out absolutely adorable. And as you can see, it's shaking. I have lots of fun sequins and seed beads in there. I did layer the Thanks a Latte a couple of times just to give it a little bit of thickness. I added some of this bling from Hobby Lobby. I used my Jillian Vance Designs bow die, if I can talk, you guys. And I love this bow. It's super pretty. And as you can see, the impression, the embossing is on the side of the card. I did use pattern paper, so it's kind of hard to see, and I kind of covered up the little steam popping out of the coffee cup, but I think it came out really cute, and I'm happy with the way it turned out. I didn't finish the inside or the back, but I'm happy with this thank you card. So really fun, and you could do different themes, and obviously you can do a fall theme and do the little pumpkins and cut out a bunch of little pumpkin sequins. So super cute die, had a lot of fun with that. Now when you cut this part out, you get this piece right here. So you get kind of a 2-in-1. So you have a card, and then this could actually be a tag if you want it, and then attach it to a gift. So this is what it looks like cut out, and again, that's the Thanks a Latte. I layered it a couple of times to give it some thickness. I don't know if you can tell. Added the bling, and then you do have to cut out the piece a couple of times so that you can piece it together. As you can see on this particular coffee cup, I didn't add like the little sleeve that you can add to a coffee cup. I completely forgot, but I think it came out super cute. So that is that project share right there. Really fun die set. All right, moving along, I made another card, and let me just share with you what I used. I used this Sizzix framelits with stamps, and again, I picked this up at Hobby Lobby. I used a coupon, and it has all of these fun sayings. So this is what I created using that stamp and die set. Of course, I had to use several dies from my stash. If you're wondering which dies I used, I try to link as many products in the description box below. So check the description box below so you can figure out which dies I used, because I did not pull them all today. But here I used the coffee cup die that came with this set right here. You see the coffee cup. And then I added some bling. I have a coffee word die that I layered a couple of times. This leaf I recently shared in a recent video. I used that leaf die that I recently picked up and layered it and added some glitter to give it a little bit of sparkle. I added some sequins to the card, and then behind it I layered it with the stacked scallop stitched heart die, and I used a couple of dies from that nesting set. And then I used a pink and Maine medium and large size bow and layered it a couple of times, and I think it came out super, super cute. I did use this scalloped rectangle die set that is new to my stash, and I used the heart border that comes with that die set, and that is my little fall card. I think it came out super, super cute. So I have that, and then along with my little fall card, I did make this treat box right here using this super cute bunny that I just recently picked up. I did stamp out the word fall, and I die cut it out using this stamp set, and then it comes with a coordinating die. And I just pieced the little bunny together and used this treat box right here. And I've shared this one in the past, and I'll again link it in the description box below if you want to find it. Excuse me. So this is my little bunny. I did color the eyes and added the eyelashes and some rosy cheeks, and I colored the little feet, and I think this one came out absolutely adorable as well. Super cute treat box, and it looks like this on the inside, so it's a good size to put a nice size treat. And this is the back. Really, really cute. So I'm loving that little critter right there. Super cute bunny. And I love the little bling, and that's the bling that I pick up from Hobby Lobby. And my last project that I want to share with you. So I made this treat bag right here, and it's really, really cute. I had picked up this die online and used that set to create this treat box. It measures about 6 inches in length, in case you're wondering, and it comes with all these coordinating, or not coordinating dies, but different dies that you can layer. See the rose pattern? So it comes with that, and that's so, so pretty. I added some glitter to make it sparkle, and then it has this little die right here. It says a little thank you, and then it has a little closure. It comes with a die that you can cut a slot so that it will close, but I cut it too far up, so I had to add a little Velcro button to close it, which I think came out just fine. But it's a nice size treat bag, and I can open it up. You can see inside. You can put, you know, plenty of goodies in here. So I love the way that this treat bag came out as well. Very, very pretty. And that is it, you guys. Please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out all the other ladies that are participating in the collaboration.